I want to know what the difference between static and dynamic is. What makes it static? What makes it dynamic? What are the tools? How does all this work?
Usually when you start, you're going to start with a static tool. So when we think static code, think of it as it's living in my IDE, or it's the source code, or I've compiled it and now it's a binary.
It doesn't necessarily mean it's the code itself. It could be compiled already.
Sure.
But it's really the developer's environment that you're talking about.
And when you say it's developer's environment, it means it hasn't been deployed to a server of any type.
So dynamic.
So now we've deployed it to an environment. So we'll just keep this really simple. We'll talk web apps. So you're building a web application, you've written the code, now we put it on the web server. So now the application is running on a web server. This is where it can get kind of crazy because now we're testing the app as deployed, and there may be issues that pop up that are not related to your app, but are related to the infrastructure of how the application is deployed.